Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. After that, tap on I accept and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to click on Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper over here and apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by choosing one of those options. Then click on Home button, and now as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!